This video will show you how to set up the headland management on the tracked and articulated machines. I'm going to go ahead and select on my windows, my tractor windows. I'm going to open that up and I want to go to my headland management icon. On my headland management icon, I'm going to select in on there. Right now you can see it calls it one touch. Okay. To make any changes to this, you come to your yellow headland management icon on the right side of the C1000. I'm going to go ahead and press that in. For this, I want to go ahead and set up manually how my one touch is going to work. So I'm going to go ahead and select this icon here. I'm going to use my second soft key on the right. And now what I want to do is, right now I only have one box. I want to go ahead and select in on there. And I want to make some changes. So I want it to kick on auto steer. Okay, I'm going to kick on auto steer. And then I want it to turn my hydraulic on. So on this machine, to turn your hydraulic on, I'm going to be pressing it forward. So I want it to retract. I want to add a pause. So I've added a pause. And then I want to add another function. So if you wanted to add a button or add a function that you've maybe missed, it's going to be your top right. If you want to delete a box that you have added, you can press your second. So that's going to allow you to delete that. So I want to delete that one. I want to put my pause, and then I want to put another function here. So now on the other end, I want to lift my implement back up. So I want to go to my number one extend, and then I want to put my pause. So now you can see I have my auto steer. I'm going to be lifting the implement. I have my function stop, and then I want to raise my implement back up, and then my function stop. When you're finished with that, you go ahead and hit your check. Say that at this point you did want to add maybe another function. I could go and add one or delete like I had showed you earlier. I want to hit my check here, and then before you do anything you got to hit start. So now that I've hit start, I can hit my escape, and now you can see my one touch is set up right down on the bottom. Now to activate that, what you're going to do is it's going to be this bottom button right here. You're going to hold that in, and that is going to activate your one touch. So that's going to be your one touch there. That is the headland management settings on the track and articulated machines.